It's our mission to build at least one computer center in each of the 16 regions of Ghana. We started doing that. This is the 10th computer lab that we are building, and we're very, very proud of that. And we believe that it will serve a great number of people and help bring out the best in these students as they come in.
This site was selected after I was privileged to have met the Helping African Foundation executives, and then they discussed the possibility of bringing this innovation to Bono East, specifically my constituency, Techman North. After deliberation with the team, we decided to choose this location, which was central to all the schools within this catchment area.
What we do makes a difference, and we don't just bring in a few computers and leave. It's the whole package. We pay attention to the infrastructure, and it's great to see the plans implemented.